Hey, my fab fifth graders, I'm going to show you how to divide decimals using a place value chart. I'm really excited about this because instead of just using the standard algorithm, now you can actually see how the entire process works on our chart. I'm going to pretend that we are going to Target to buy my favorite Papermate pens. They're going to cost $6.72. So me, Autumn, and Amber have decided that we are going to split the cost because we're going to split the pack of pens, and we want to know how much each of us is going to owe in order to get the $6.72 we need to get the Papermate pens. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the lower half of my chart into 3 boxes. The 3 boxes are going to represent the amount that each of us, me, Autumn, and Amber, are going to need to contribute in order to have enough money to buy the pens. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to draw what I have that I'm going to need to divide at the top of my chart. So I know that I have $6 or 6 ones. I'm going to represent that using my circles. I have $6 or 6 ones. I have 7/10 or 70 cents. And I have 2 hundredths. Okay, so I'm going to start with the ones. I'm going to take the $6 that I have and I'm going to divide it equally between me, Autumn, and Amber. I'm going to do that by drawing 1 circle in each of the boxes until I have 6. That shows me that I'm going to need $2 to contribute in order to have enough money for the Papermate pens. The next thing that I have are my 7/10. So I'm going to take 7/10 and I am going to divide that in between the 3 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1/10 left over, and in order to be fair, I can't give it to me, Autumn, or Amber because we're splitting it. So the best way to do this is to take that 10th and I need to split it into a smaller unit. In this case, it's going to be the hundredths. I'm going to take that 10th and I'm going to split it up so that now I have 10 hundredths. And we already know that 10 hundredths is equivalent to 1/10. So now I have my 10 hundredths and I have my 2 hundredths that I had already started with, and I already know that 10 plus 2 equals 12. I'm going to take those 12 hundredths and I'm going to split them up between me, Autumn, and Amber equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives each of us 4 hundredths that we need to contribute. So now I know that each of us is going to need to contribute $2, 2 ones, 2 tenths, and 4 hundredths. That equates to $2.24. So now I'm going to show you that in standard algorithm form so that you can see how they equal each other. I'm going to erase the top half of my board. So standard algorithm looks just like that. I have my dividend inside my divisor, my dividing bracket, and I have my 3, my divisor, on the outside. And I know that I'm dividing my $6.72 amongst the 3 of us, me, Autumn, and Amber. I'm going to put my decimal up here so I don't forget about it, okay? I'm going to make sure that it goes in the same spot, okay, as it is in the problem. 3 divides into 6 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. I'm going to subtract my 6. I have none left, just like I represented here in my ones column. I'm going to bring down my 7. That's my 7/10. I know that 3 divides into 7 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. I have my 1/10 left over. That was the same 10th that I needed to break apart into 10 hundredths because I couldn't just put it in somebody else's box because then it wouldn't be equal. So I have my 1/10 left over. I bring down my 2 hundredths. I divide 3 into 12, which is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. That gives me no remainder, and my answer is that we are each going to need to contribute $2.24 to make sure that we have the exact amount of money that we need to buy the new pack of Papermate pens. So I hope that you can watch the video and understand the visual representation of how we divide decimals, and use the place value chart to show an understanding of where we're getting all of these numbers from in the standard algorithm. So we're going to practice that today. So make sure that your posture is good, you're sitting up straight, you're ready to work and learn, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.